you're talking to me about planning vacations, planning vacations. When was the last time you planned a doctor's visit? I'm talking about those people who need a doctor's visit. I'm talking about those people specifically that haven't seen the doctor in 2 years, 3 years, maybe 5 years. What are you doing? Is vacation going to be fun if you don't even know if you are in the best shape of your life? How fun is vacation if you're wheezing and you're breathing heavy and you are not in the best shape of your life and you are constantly worried about something, or God forbid you're having a problem, a backache, a knee pain, breathing, wheezing, sleep apnea? You don't know it. That's the point. Please go see the doctor, make sure you are okay, and then go plan your vacation.